Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed about application specific embedded system. So in this video I am going to discuss about domain specific embedded system. The major application domains of embedded systems are consumer, industrial, automotive, telecommunication, etc. In this telecommunication and automotive industry holds a big market share. Figure shows an overview of the various types of electronic control units employed in automotive applications. Next, let's see inner workings of automotive embedded systems. Inner workings of automotive embedded systems. Automotive embedded systems are the one where electronics take control over the mechanical systems. The presence of automotive embedded system in a vehicle varies from simple mirror and wiper controls to complex airbag controller and ABS system, that is anti-lock brake systems. Automotive embedded systems are normally built around the microcontrollers or digital signal processors, that is DSP, or a hybrid of these two, and are generally known as electronic control units, that is ECU. The number of electronic controller in any ordinary vehicles varies from 20 to 40, whereas a luxury vehicle like Mercedes and BMW may contain 75 to 100 number of embedded controllers. The various types of electronic control units, that is ECU, used in automotive embedded industry can be broadly classified into two units. First one is high speed embedded control units, that is HECU, and second one is low speed electronic control units, that is LECU. Let's see high speed embedded control units. High speed electronic control units, that is HECU, are deployed in critical control units requiring fast response. They include fuel injection systems, anti-brake systems, engine control, electronic throttle, steering controls, transmission control unit, and central control unit. And second one, that is low speed electronic control units, that is LECU. Low speed electronic control units are deployed in applications where response time is not so critical. They generally are built around low cost microprocessors or microcontrollers and digital signal processors. Audio controllers, passenger and driver door locks, door glass controllers, that is power windows, wiper control, mirror control, seat control system, headlamp and tail lamp controls, sunroof control, etc. are the examples of low speed electronic control units. Next, automotive communication buses. Automotive applications make use of serial buses for communication, which greatly reduces the amount of wiring required inside a vehicle. The different types of serial interface buses deployed in automotive embedded applications are first one, controller area network, that is CAN, and next one, logical interconnect network, and next one, that is third one, media oriented system transport bus. Let's see one by one. First one, controller area network, that is CAN. It supports medium speed, that is class B, with data rates up to 125 kbps and high speed, that is class C, with data rates up to 1 Mbps data transfer. CAN is an event driven protocol interface with support for error handling in data transmission. It is generally employed in safety system like airbag control, powertrain system like engine control, and anti-brake system, that is ABS, and navigation systems like GPS. Next one is logical interconnect network. It is a single master multiple slave communication interface up to 16 independent slave nodes. Local interconnect network is a low speed single wire communication interface with support for data rates up to 20 kbps and is used for sensor or actuator interfacing. Local interconnect network is employed in applications like mirror control, fan controls, seat positioning controls, window controls, and position controls where response time is not a critical issue. Next, the last one, that is media oriented system transport bus, that is MOST. The media oriented system transport bus, that is MOST bus, is targeted for automotive audio or video equipment interfacing. A MOST bus is a multimedia fiber optic point-to-point network implemented in a star, ring, or daisy-chained topology over optical fiber cables. The MOST bus specifications defines the physical layer as well as the application layer, network layer, and media access control. MOST bus is an optical fiber cable connected between the electrical optical converter, that is EOC, and optical electrical converter, that is OEC, which would translate into the optical cable MOST bus. Thank you.